It's still warming up. It's almost ready. Do you want something to eat? Yeah? You want a snack? Okay. Table for one? Makita, this way. Hi. How is my big scary panther? I heard you already ate dinner. What? You think I'm lying? Hi. Are you looking for something? Happy Monday. Do you want me to stay home? Thank you for your patience. Can you give me your biggest panther roar? Wow, okay, that was pretty good. Yeah.
Hey, this is a robbery. Give me your money. Dude, I don't have any money. What do you have? I have cake. Ooh!
Living with a black cat is kind of like living with a sassy shadow, a fashionable gargoyle, a solar-powered Halloween decoration, a tiny moody night dragon, a roaming judgmental feather.
Hey, little buddy.
Uno, you want to get a Halloween costume? You want to get a Halloween costume? Let's go!
We made it to Petco. Oh no, let's look at the costumes. Oh no, who could be Spider-Man? Spider-Cat, Spider-Cat. He's a cat who is a Spider-Man. So if you wanted to wear a dress, you're such a pretty princess. 2019, you can be a boy, a girl, or a cat and wear a dress. You want to try being a unicorn? Unicorn! Oh, if you wear this, you have 2 ears. You can have 2 ears for Halloween. He's like, I hate you, but I love you. Do you want to be a taco? You're such a cute little taco. You're like, I don't want to talk about it. Usually you're a good pet, but for Halloween, you want to be a bad pet? I'm the bad pet. Oh no, he's trying to escape. The bad pet's trying to escape out the doors. We decided to get the taco. You cool with that, Uno? Yeah, he's cool with that. All right, Uno, let's go pay. Uno's getting scanned. Uno, it's nice to meet you. Making friends anywhere he goes. Oh, and butt scratchies.
No, baby. No. We live in the hood. Them cats will tear your ass up. He is a house cat, and he think that he could go outside and go play with them ghetto outside cats. Baby, you vaccinated. I don't know what them cats got.
Living with a black cat is kind of like living with a sassy shadow, a fashionable gargoyle, a solar-powered Halloween decoration, a tiny moody night dragon, a roaming judgmental feather duster.
Black cats are 50% less likely to get adopted. Here's why. People associate black cats with bad luck, which is not true. I've only had great luck with Leopold. Leopold is not just a black cat, but he's also a blind cat. Leopold's chances of adoption were very slim at the shelter. I'm so
And then my cat goes and does something like this. And suddenly the memory of him howling at 3 a.m. for attention just vanishes.
Scream really loud and see what your cat does.
Let her do it one more time. Aw, Xenon.
New trend: kiss your pet on the head and see their reaction.
I will have the cops up your ass in 5 fucking minutes. Go!
I need somebody to tell Cameron that he cannot go outside. No, baby. No. We live in the hood. Them cats will tear your ass up. He is a house cat, and he think that he could go outside and go play with them ghetto outside cats. Baby, you vaccinated. I don't know what them cats got. You not going out there. No. Go on. Go, Cam. Get away from this door.
I am the darkness. Oh, you want cuddles? Okay, I give cuddles. But I am still the darkness.
Just think about it. Humans one day randomly decided to look at a certain type of animal and just be like, I want that. I will lock that thing in my living quarters. It looks cute. Give it to me. I will feed you. You will love me.
Soft void, warm void, little black abyss. Happy void, sleepy void. He is the darkness.
I am the darkness. Oh, you want cuddles? Okay, I give cuddles. But I am still the darkness.
Dahlia loves her exercise wheel. There's no sound of the wheel because I had to voice record over this because my audio got cut out. But here she is running. She's so cute. Look at her go. Look at her go. Oh my goodness.
Yo, what in the hell is wrong with these damn cats? Why are you in the box spring? Why are you in the box spring? Why did you let her get in the box spring? Don't try to play cute with me. Bruh. Send her. Yo. Why are you in the box spring? Oh my. Are you fucking kidding me, man?
Show me your kitties versus now.
I just figured out that I'm really good at meowing, probably better than you. So anytime you need your cat to come to you, just use this sound.
This is Wade, and since we got him when he was only like 6 weeks old, he suckles, and if I try to pull my finger away, he gets really mad and digs his claws into me.
He demands the
He needs the suckles.
Hey, kittens. Hi, guys. Oh, my goodness. Hi, how are you doing? How is everybody? Hey, ow, hey. Are you crazy? Want to play? You're crazies. But you're so cute. I love you guys. Oh, I love you. I love you. Hi, boys. They get so excited to see me. Good purrs. Good purrs.
This sound is only for black cats. Did you know black cats are the least likely colored cat to get adopted? Let's see those tiny panthers. Like, share, and comment a black heart to give them the spotlight they deserve.
Fuck you, my child is completely fine.
Drugs.
No, we're okay.
Drugs.
This is awkward. No, thank you.
Drugs.
Who invited? Hey, yo, who has a cat that likes to fish? Check. Terrell. Hey, Terrell. Hey.
Me like you hate me, but you love me. Low-key wanna date me when you fuck me with the lights
Living with a black cat is kind of like living with a sassy shadow, a fashionable gargoyle, a solar-powered Halloween decoration, a tiny moody night dragon, a roaming judgmental feather duster.
You touch that again, I shall kill you right now. Okay. Do not touch this. This is a no touching zone.
Good. Well then.
Oh my god!
I call the police. They're gonna be here in 10 minutes.
Okay. Then that leave me nine to beat the hell out of you.
You think? I know Taekwondo.
And I know whoop your ass.
Alright, so my cat loves boxes, so let's see how long this takes. Alright.
Ooh, I'm gonna get it. Watch my focus. I will attack. Booty wiggle wiggle. It can't move faster than me. Go 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 go.
2 black cats. One is... Oh my god! Hey! I know, isn't he crazy? You're so mean!
Living with a black cat is kind of like living with a sassy shadow, a fashionable gargoyle, a solar-powered Halloween decoration, a tiny moody night dragon, a roaming judgmental feather duster.